Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, your go-to place for the latest Apple news, leaks, and in-depth tech reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the next evolution of Apple's compact powerhouse, the Mac Mini M5, from blazing fast performance with the new M5 chip to potential design upgrades and smart connectivity options. This is everything you need to know. Introduction and overview. Apple's Mac Mini has come a long way from being just a basic entry-level Mac to a serious contender for creative professionals and power users. Last year, Apple stunned us with the M4 Mac Mini, but now, all eyes are on the upcoming Mac Mini M5, rumored for an early 2025 release. From what we've seen so far through leaks, supply chain info, and developer logs, the Mac Mini M5 will target creative professionals, developers, and power users who need desktop-level performance without sacrificing space. And if you've been waiting to upgrade your home setup, this might just be the perfect time. Full specifications. Leaked and expected. Processor, Apple Silicon M5 chip, base and Pro variants expected, based on 3nm enhanced plus process, even more power efficient than the M4. Up to 12-core CPU, 8 performance plus 4 efficiency cores, up to 38-core GPU for Pro models. Next-gen neural engine optimized for on-device AI tasks. RAM base model with 16GB unified memory, configurable up to 64GB, using Apple's new faster LPDDR6 memory storage options. Starts at 512GB SSD, configurable up to 8TB SSD. Connectivity: Wi-Fi 7 support for blazing fast wireless performance, Bluetooth 5.4. Thunderbolt 5/USB 4 ports, 0.2x USB-A ports, HDMI 2.2, Ethernet port with up to 10 GB support. Design similar compact aluminum unibody. Rumors suggest slimmer thermal design and possibly a new space black color option. macOS ships with macOS Sequoia, optimized for AI features, enhanced continuity, and power efficiency. Top 10 features of Mac Mini M5 next-gen M5 chip. The M5 is expected to bring a massive leap in CPU and GPU performance, with an enhanced, including 6K and 8K monitors, compact but cooler design. Although the outer body may look similar, the internals feature improved thermal management to handle the powerful M5 chip without overheating. Improved security. Apple's Secure Enclave, along with next-gen hardware-level encryption and biometric authentication, Touch ID keyboard support, keeps your data safe. Seamless AI integration thanks to macOS Sequoia and the advanced neural engine. Expect smarter on-device Siri, real-time transcriptions, and intelligent app suggestions, all happening locally without sending data to the cloud. Release date: leaks and expectation. According to supply chain sources and Apple's typical product cycle, the Mac Mini M5 is expected to launch between March and May 2025. Apple typically refreshes its Mac Mini lineup around spring, following the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air launches. If production ramps up in Q1 2025 as rumored, we could see the M5 Mac Mini debut in an Apple Spring event in March 2025, or through a press release shortly after. Keep in mind that the M5 Pro variant could be announced alongside the base M5, giving users options depending on their performance needs. Price: leaks and predictions. According to industry insiders, the base Mac Mini M5 will likely start at $699, the same as the previous Mac Mini M4. Apple usually keeps the Mac Mini pricing competitive. Model price expected: Mac Mini M5 base $699, Mac Mini M5 512GB/16GB $899, Mac Mini M5 Pro M5 Pro chip 512GB/32GB $1,299, Mac Mini M5 Pro 1TB/64GB $1,999. With the new M5 chip, expanded AI capabilities, and future-proof connectivity, it's shaping up to be one of the best value Mac desktops ever. Are you planning to upgrade to the Mac Mini M5, or are you waiting for the next big Mac Pro refresh? And don't forget to like video, subscribe for more Apple leaks and reviews, and hit the bell icon.